Hello, animals.
Hi, teacher.
What are we doing?
We're going to the juice factory today.
A juice factory. What kind of juice?
We're going to flavor kind of juice factory today.
Can we go to cranberry juice factory?
There are lots of flavors in juice.
Oh, is cranberry one of them?
Let's go see who's going.
Okay. Alligator.
No,
Bear,
I'm not going.
camel. Dolphin.
Stay slow.
Elephant. Flamingo. Giraffe. Hippo. Iguana. Jaguar. Koala. Lion. Monkey. Nightingale. Ostrich. Penguin. Quail. Rhinoceros. Seal. Tiger. Vulture. Wait, Uriel. Vulture. Walrus. X-ray fish. Yak and zebra.
I'm going too.
Is that it?
Yep, that's it. Can I come too?
Sure.
That's 10 animals.
Yak is going too?
Yes, he is.
Tweet, tweet, I don't want to go.
Nani, go, let's go. You're going to love the juice factory.
Tweet, tweet, I don't want to go to the juice factory.
Nani, girl, it's going to be fun.
Okay.
All right, let's get in the bus.
Everybody get on the bus.
Okay, giraffe and yak.
Tweet, 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 tweet.
Nani, Gail, too close to the camera. Ready, guys?
Ready, here goes the bus. That was a bumpy bus ride.
Here we are at the juice factory.
Is there a snack here?
I think there is lots of juices there.
Are they going to eat some juice? Drink some juice?
The tour guide will show the way.
Okay. Tweet, tweet, I want fruit seed juice.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the juice factory. My name is Mrs. My name is Mrs. Emma, and I'm going to be your juice factory tour guide today.
I better go try some juice.
All right, everybody, follow me. The first flavored juice is apple juice.
Burp. Annagil, you drank too fast and burped.
Raise your hand if you want apple juice.
Everybody wants apple juice.
And let's go to the next flavor. This is orange juice.
Oh boy, everybody likes orange juice.
And the next one is cranberry juice.
Ooh. Tweet, tweet, I love cranberry juice.
And the last one is grapey grape juice.
Ooh, was it yummy? Was it yummy juice, animals?
Mm-hmm.
All right, say bye.